Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create professional looking Facebook stories using Canva? With Canva, you can easily customize stylish Facebook story templates using your own photos, videos and text directly on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let me show you step by step how to do it. First, open Canva on your device. Next, go to social media. Then select Facebook. Now tap Facebook Story. Canva will display many professional templates you can choose from. Browse through the templates and select the one you like. Once the template opens, the video editor will appear automatically. Now tap on the image or video inside the template, then tap Replace. Choose the photo or video you want to use from your gallery. Canva will automatically replace the original media with your selected file. Next, tap on the text if you want to customize it. Then tap Edit. Now type the text you want to use for your Facebook story. You can also adjust the font, size, colors, and position to make your story look more professional. Once everything looks good, tap the Upload icon. From here, you can choose to download or share to Facebook. And that's how to create professional Facebook stories in Canva on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.